SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It helps people find your website on search engines like Google. When people search for things online, SEO makes sure your website shows up high in the results. This means more people will visit your website. Imagine you have a shop. SEO is like putting it on a busy street. More people walking by means more potential customers. SEO helps you get more visitors and grow your business. It's about making your website attractive to search engines. Keywords are words people use in search engines. Think about what people might type to find your website. These are your keywords. For example, if you sell shoes, your keywords could be running shoes, leather boots, kids' sandals. Use these keywords on your website, in your titles and descriptions. This helps search engines understand what your website is about. Backlinks are like votes of confidence for your website. When other websites link to yours, it tells search engines that your website has valuable content. The more votes you have, the higher you rank. You can get backlinks by writing guest posts, creating shareable content, or being featured on other websites. Backlinks are a powerful tool to boost your website's authority. Optimizing your website means making it easy for search engines to understand and rank. This includes using keywords in your content, but it's more than that. Make sure your website loads quickly and is easy to navigate. Use headings, subheadings, and images to make your content visually appealing. Write high-quality content that is relevant to your target audience. SEO is an ongoing process, but even small steps can make a big difference. Start by focusing on keywords, building backlinks, and optimizing your website. With a little effort, you can improve your website's visibility and reach more customers.